Hello, Scoopers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Scoop Buddy, your ultimate source for all things education. Today, we've got a topic that's on the minds of many aspiring business leaders out there: the top 5 colleges for MBA in India. India boasts a plethora of institutions offering MBA programs, each with its unique strengths and specializations. So, without further ado, let's jump into our countdown of the top 5 colleges for MBA in India. Number 5. IIM Lucknow. IIM Lucknow ranks 5th in India and 85th globally in the FT Global 2024 rankings and continues to be a top choice for MBA aspirants in India and abroad. Indian Institute of Management Lucknow was established in 1984 and is accredited by AMBA and AACSB. This reputed college is a member of EFMD Global. Indian Institute of Management, Lucknow, IIM, Lucknow, offers PG, certificate, and various other courses to students across management and various other streams. Number 4. DMS IIT Delhi. DMS IIT Delhi is ranked 16th by Business Today 2023 for MBA. The Department of Management Studies was established by IIT Delhi to provide education to students in the management stream. Located in Hauz Khas, Delhi, DMS IIT Delhi in 2023 under the management category was ranked 5th by NIRF. Department of Management Studies IIT Delhi offers PG, Executive, PhD, MDP, and various other courses to students. These courses are provided across the management and various other streams. DMS, IIT Delhi also ranks 4th in India by the QS World University Ranking for Business and Management Studies in 2023. Number 3. IIM Kozhikode. Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode was established in 1996 by the Government of India in collaboration with the State Government of Kerala. The institute is sprawling over an area of 112.5 acres situated in Kerala. IIM Kozhikode has been ranked 3rd under the Management category by the NIRF 2023 rankings. The institute is also accredited by the Association of AMBA and EQUIS. It provides various academic programs. Number 2. IIM Bangalore. Indian Institute of Management Bangalore, IIMB, is a leading graduate school of management in Asia. IIMB has been ranked 2nd among the top management institutes by NIRF 2023 and 31st in the Masters in Management category by the QS World University Ranking 2024. In addition, the institute has also been ranked 3rd by Business Today Ranking 2023. Established in 1973, IIMB is famous for its excellent faculty members who have studied and taught at some of the best universities in India and abroad. With a diverse student body and faculty drawn from the best minds in academia and industry, IIM Bangalore offers a conducive environment for learning, innovation, and leadership development. Number 1. Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. IIM Ahmedabad is ranked 1st by NIRF 2023 under the Management category, 2nd by Business Today 2023 for MBA, and again 1st by Outlook 2023 under the MBA Government category. Globally, the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad is ranked 53rd by the QS World Ranking by Subject 2024 and 42 by World University Rankings, Masters in Management 2024. Established in 1961, IIM Ahmedabad, or IMA, is a public business school located in Vastrapur, Ahmedabad. The institute has been accorded the status of an Institute of National Importance by MHRD, Government of India. And there you have it, Scoopers, our list of the top 5 colleges for MBA in India. Whether you are a seasoned professional looking to enhance your skills or a fresh graduate with big dreams, these institutions offer the perfect launchpad for your career in business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.